Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be cleaning this iPhone SE first generation camera because I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. There's quite a bit of dirt in there. This is my dad's phone. So this is the phone that I got from the trash station. I posted about it on Twitter. This is now his daily phone. So, yeah, let's just get straight into it. Power off the phone. And while I'm waiting for that to power off, let's see if I have some tools I can clean the phone. I do not. I'll have to get some Q-tips. I'll be right back. I got the Q-tips. The bathroom is literally just down the hall, so... Okay, looks like the phone is powered off now. Let's get to unscrewing. I need a ventilator screwdriver. So, ventilator screwdriver. I've done a video on this phone a few times before, so should be easy to get into. I forgot the suction cup. I'm forgetting so many tools. I'm probably used to just working on PCs all the time. I forget to get those important tools. There we go. Can just my chair. So looks like the suction cup isn't working, so I'll have to pry the thing up. Forgot there's a Touch ID button in there. Let's see if I damaged it or not. I don't think so. Whoa, it is dirty in here. Oh my god. How did it get so dirty? Can you see that? There's all of that dirt in there. Well, okay, the home button's still working. Let the phone power off. No wonder why the camera's so dirty. The entire inside of the phone is dirty. Well, the entire phone is dirty on the inside. But, anyways, it's time. Yep. There's my fake warranty sticker type thing. Let's get our iFixit screwdriver and disconnect the battery. There we go. And now we can unscrew the display bracket. I I wasn't able to come up with any like video ideas, and my dad said, "Oh yeah, my camera's dirty. Can you clean it for me?" And I was like, "Okay." Here we go. Okay. Well, that's the phone. Battery still misaligned. So, let's get our dirty brush. Let's just brush the inside of this phone out. Wow, man, it is dirty in here. So, since it's dirty, let's get a single piece of paper towel, and then we can just spray a little bit on it. Clean the phone. Let's clean the display, the back of the display. I don't know how it got that dirty or this dirty. Run over my paper towel. Okay, well, screen seems clean enough. Actually, the side of it is dirty, so it's iPhone cleaning video. Okay. Put the phone on the screen on that paper towel on the display. And now we can just lift the camera up. There's that rubber piece. Can remove the camera. That is a lot of dirt. Let's get some alcohol in there. Well, can get the camera thing back in there, the bracket. Actually, not the bracket, this little rubber piece. I think it's supposed to go in before the camera. Well, I don't know how to get that back in. I'll just place it on top. Let me try this off camera for a second. Yeah, I can't get it. Well, that should be good enough. Anyways, now we can reconnect the display. Then we can place this cover here. And let's check how the camera looks. Not much better. This rubber piece is annoying. Okay, so let me just lift this camera out. All right. Yep, camera looks better. There's nothing in front of the camera lens itself, like not the lens, like I don't know what it's called. Anyways, this rubber piece is super annoying. I know you guys can't see this, but I have to focus on this little piece of rubber. It is so hard to get it. It's so hard to get in. Okay, I think I got it somewhat. That's good enough. Okay, yeah. My horrible job. Okay, anyways, plug in the battery. Get the battery bracket on there. The screw almost fell. Well, the camera cut out again. But anyways, didn't miss out on too much. Just reconnected the battery. And let's temporarily connect the home button to the computer. And not the computer, I meant the phone. Technically is a computer. And it's turning on like nothing happened, so that's good. Let's see if it boots up. I will be right back. And the phone is up and running. The vibrate motor is working. So, yeah, let's just turn that off now. And, yeah, let's put it back together. First of all, put the sticker on there. Then we can connect the home button. There we go. Let's see if the home button is working. Yep, Touch ID is working. Can now put the screen back on, clip it into place. Yeah, so what was that? It's like a big boom. Anyways, the hell was that? And that felt very close, the boom. Well, the phone's working now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Check out my Twitter at ufelix5, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.